Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes setting up a very interesting scenario going into Wednesday pretty straightforward. And this whole scenario, maybe you already know what I'm going to be talking about here, but this scenario is all revolving around that purple line right there, which on my chart represents the famous 50-period simple moving average. And I say famous because even if you have a very basic and surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is below it, that level does tend to act as resistance. Now, not a guaranteed resistance, but it tends to act as resistance. Or in other words, a lot of people, assuming they use charts, understand charts, they have taken notice of the same thing that I'm going to talk about, and that is, okay, the price is, definitely had a nice bounce on the day, and now the price is sitting right here below that purple line. So the big question going into Wednesday now becomes, is this, is a breakout kind of on the horizon? Are the bulls going to make attempt to make another nice move? The last time the price broke up through that purple line there, you can see a very, very nice move. Now, I'm not saying that's guaranteed to happen again if only trading were that easy. But the point here is, and the why I bring it up about a lot of people watching and wondering, that is, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. But when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, it can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. And that is definitely, kind of the situation that people are going to be wondering about, on Wednesday and really just moving forward. But, given that the price is so close to it right now, it's pretty rational to say that, that level could very well be tested. And right now that area is right up there around $16.95-ish cents. I say ish because remember, this is a moving average, so that line is going to move and change as Wednesday plays out. So that value will change a little bit. But right there, just below 17 is an area that a lot of people are going to be watching. So we'll see if the price can break up through there. In the event it can break up through there, then the next key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that former area of support right there around $17.10. So again, initial level of resistance, that 50-period moving average, the purple line. Next level after that, up there at $17.10. So a lot of eyeballs are going to be watching, wondering this. Let's see if the bulls can get the breakout or not on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.